naputol ulit eh. So anyway, so on my career level, parang ano, ah, marami na akong kasabayan from my start na unti-unting nawawala kasi hindi nga nakakasabay. In my part, kasi nga ano ako eh, pushing every limit eh. So, developer, ganon, ang software developer, uh, junior systems analyst, software engineer, systems analyst, ganon. And then I go actually level 4 architecture na sana. Kaya ko yan. And yung IT management as a whole, yung tipong ano, kaya ko yan. But for whatever reason, God wanted to stick me on the database. I don't know why. So alam ko yan, nataya ko yung upper level na sa management ng IT na. Kaya ko yan. And somehow God wanted me to, kasi nga may task ako eh. So later on, so nandun na yan yung mga in-expose ko na mga anomaly sa government. Yan, BOC na yan. So almost 2 decades ago. Akalain mo nandun pa rin ako sa DB. Which is, kasi kung nawala ako dyan, then I go beyond. I go to IT management na. Then, nawala na yung binigay sa akin ng task ng Panginoon, which is to expose evil in governments. So yung corruption na. So this is one part nito, mga sa DPWH. Mga ano na yan, mga sanga-sanga yan, mga bunga na yan. Okay. So yun lang. Sana, again, I am sharing this because with the glory and grace from God, I am being used as a vessel. Normal na ako na tao, just like you and other people. I am also one of you. Okay. So thank you so much. This is my way of sharing again, and also to update my fight with the blood sugar diabetic disease daw sabi nila. Pero yun lang, I'm fighting again on the bold process na sana the minimum is oral na lang medication or maintenance. I really don't want that injection in my part na magiging araw-araw gagawin ko. Don't want that part. So, best scenario is yun na nga, may i-reverse ko. But that would only happen with the permission coming from God. Diba? And anyway, this may eyeglass is basically reading lang to. 120/90. And if I can regain more, sana, hopefully, sana, maayos ko rin yung eyesight ko na parang bata ulit, diba? So, if you compare me to those IT professionals who work on a night schedule, compare me my appearance, my aura, my looks to them. Mag-ano kayo ng 100 dyan. Makita mo sila naninilaw o talagang dahil yung kanilang aura, spirit. And me, at that point, parang 15 or 20 years ago lang. Plus another of that age, di ba? So you pick IT professionals that are at 35 to 40 years, and that was me, like 15 or 20 years also. You compare the appearance, the aura, and parang full assessment yun lang. So hindi ako nalalayo doon. Kasi nakita ko yung mga kasamahan ko ng mga ganong kabata. Naninilaw na iba. Naawa ako internally kasi alam ko yung nangyayari. Then yung iba may maintenance na talaga. Maintenance sa blood pressure or blood sugar also. Others are yung sa uric acid. Naniligaw na yung tuhod until hindi na makalakad ng maayos. Di ba?